in between shows, they spray the ballerinas' costumes inside with vodka as a refresher because the alcohol content helps to keep it both clean and sanitized. So I was like, if a ballet company's doing it, I can do it. Babes, I just made a 10-minute video just putting on this corset, okay? That's how long-winded and rambly I am. And we like to blame literature, but really, it's just me. It's a me thing. So thanks for bearing with us. Now I will show you how to take off your corsets. So here we go. I have done it up in the front. This is the Raven Mesh Underbust from Pearls and Arsenic, which will be available soon. Wink. So you have to stay tuned for that because I've had a hell of a year and it's going real slowly. So stay tuned. You can check Pearls and Arsenic on Instagram for that. Here is the back. It's done up and tucked under. What I want to do first, if I'm taking off my corset, is undo the strings from there. And then I just want to find sort of the end of the bunny ears or something that will just undo this knot. Very gently, very slowly, always. And I want to just undo that. So I've got the two sides there. Then I will loosen my corset before undoing the front. So I can start from the top or bottom or wherever I like, but I find I just kind of messily pull them apart. Pull all these separate. And I know that my corset video that had the laces close up and talked about the mesh versus shoestring laces had a lot of views, so I'll make some of those in the future. Then from the front, we want to start from the bottom, going the opposite way to how we do it up. Start from the bottom and just sort of push left to right. Is that left to right? I'm pretty jet lagged right now. And then just sort of unhook them. Ta-da! There we go. So there we have the corset undoing. And then the way that I store my corsets is I will then do them up in the front again, like so. And then I just fold them, doink, 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 and store them. So I'll tuck in the laces a bit more neatly, and then I just fold them and store them flat. Now after wearing, so I wear it over clothes at the moment, but sometimes I'll wear them not over clothes against my skin if I want to stealth them. So after wearing, I like to spray this Downy wrinkle fabric freshener stuff. It's just a little travel thing. You can just buy it on Instagram, on Amazon. You can see my Amazon store. I have it listed there under the corset section, where I have like corset bustiers and things like that, as well as some steel bone corsets. But just, you know, Amazon quality, right? Not like proper corsets. We can get to that next. But this is the Downy fabric refresher. And I also spray my white musk perfume from the Body Shop because it is quite high alcohol content. And that is a tip that I actually picked up from watching a video by the ballet company. I can't remember which one, but like a New York ballet company or something like that. Please forgive me if I get that wrong. But they said that in between shows, they spray the ballerinas' costumes inside with vodka as a refresher because the alcohol content helps to keep it both clean and sanitized. So I was like, if a ballet company's doing it, I can do it. And so I'm not going to be spraying it with vodka because then I'd feel nauseous every time I wore my corsets. I think, I don't know. I actually have never actually tried that. But I spray my white musk perfume because it is also quite high alcohol content, and I wear a lot of white musk perfume anyways from the Body Shop. And I have done since I was a teenager. Anyone who knows me and is watching this video, hi, yeah, I'm still wearing the same perfume, which is also no surprise to anyone who knows me. I'm such a consistent guy, like consistency in pretty much everything. So I consistently store my corsets like this, blanc, and I just layer them on top of each other. So that's how to undo your corset. Thank you for joining and checking my Amazon stuff and watching. And I guess I'm going now. See you in the next videos. Please comment things you would like to see more videos on. I really appreciate it because it's really great to get ideas and things like that. So thank you. I appreciate you. Chat soon.